This has got to be the coolest thing that DJI has ever made that's not drone or gimbal related, but rather it's an adapter. It's the DJI Mic 2 camera adapter, and basically you can attach it to your Sony camera onto the Hotshoe just like that, and then take your DJI Mic 2 receiver, attach it onto the adapter, and now you can have wireless audio without using a cable. Now, if you're familiar with Sony's digital mics like the ECM M1 mic, then you know how easy it is to attach a shotgun mic onto your Sony camera by just simply attaching it to the Hotshoe. Like I used to use traditional shotgun microphones where you attach it to the Hotshoe of the camera, then use an audio cable to plug it into the camera. Like that's cool, but this is better. Well, DJI is kind of doing the same thing with their camera adapter. Hold on. Oh, I can't get out of my pocket. Hold on, almost. Ah, there it is. Okay, what was I saying? Well, you can now do the same thing with the DJI Mic 2 receiver and camera adapter by placing it onto the Hotshoe of my A7C Mark II. Now what's cool is that on the receiver of the Mic 2, you can change the audio levels on the transmitter as well as change the audio output from the receiver to your camera, and that way you could set your audio just right. Oh gosh, it's getting sticky out here again. Oh, Texas. All right, class, now we're gonna do a demo. More of an obvious demo, but I just wanted to show you the importance of having wireless audio, especially the further you are away from your camera. So right now, the audio that you're hearing is from my Sony M1 mic. And so I'm just gonna step back a little bit further. I'm just gonna talk in a normal voice. And obviously you can't really hear the audio all that well unless I yell. And if you plan on capturing audio this way, well, guess what? Audio's gonna sound bad. And if you're a wedding filmmaker, you're definitely not gonna capture the audio because I'm so far away. Also, I'm screen recording my camera so that you can see what the audio levels looks like. It looks a little low, but the closer I get to the camera, then you're gonna see the audio levels looking a little bit healthier. But now let's switch it up and use the DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. All right, so the adapter is now on. And yeah, this is the audio coming from the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. Whoa! I almost died. But this is the audio coming from the lav mic, which is hidden behind my shirt, and the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, which is in my pocket right over here. But yeah, you are hearing crystal clear audio, even though I'm like 15 feet away from the camera. And this is great if you're filming live events, again, weddings, stuff like that. Like capturing wireless audio in this manner is the way to do it. And then if you're looking at my camera screen, you can see that the audio levels look pretty healthy no matter where I go. And so yeah, having wireless audio is cool, man. But now I'm drawing a crowd because people are wondering, what is this dude doing? I'm doing my job. Oh, and real quick, here's what the audio levels looks like behind the receiver. Looks pretty healthy. And as I mentioned before, I can actually change the audio levels on the transmitter as well as the receiver. To do that, just press down on the scroll wheel. Right now, you see a yellow box around the transmitter. And if I want to decrease the audio levels, I just scroll left. Or if I want to increase it, I scroll right. I usually set it to 0. I think it sounds pretty good there. And if I want to change the audio levels of the receiver going to the camera, I just make sure that the receiver is highlighted. Let's make sure it's tap on that, press it again, there it is. And then just like before, scroll left to decrease the audio levels or scroll right to increase it. For me, I like setting it to -3, and usually that turns out to be some pretty good audio. Now, since we're making a video about audio, I gotta get something off my chest because it just annoys the crap out of me. Hold on. I am not a fan of holding the mic like this and showing it on screen. Like, I know it's a trend, but why? Like maybe it's like the film school in me, like mics are meant to be hidden. So seeing them on screen just is kind of jarring in a way. And it kind of just breaks the illusion of cinema. Not that YouTube videos are cinema, like no, but you know what I mean? And I know I've been guilty. I've been using this because, I don't know, it was the only mic that I had. And these things are totally useful. Like I love these transmitters, but whenever I can, I always try to hide my mic. In fact, I'm wearing a wire. This is actually a lav hidden behind my shirt. And you don't see the mic on camera, but you're hearing the audio perfectly fine. And because you don't see the microphone in the frame, like you're kind of focusing on me. And I always feel like whenever I see a microphone on screen, I focus on the microphone, not the person. Especially like when you wear transmitters like on yourself, like that is so distracting, isn't it? And so for me, whenever I can, I always try to hide the mic. All right, I gotta go run some errands, but let's have some fun with the DJI Mic 2 and the camera adapter. Oh, I totally forgot to mention the list of Sony cameras compatible with the DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. Well, here's the list that DJI has given me. What's not on the list is the A7C Mark II, but I am filming with the A7C Mark II right now, and it's totally compatible. All right, I'm gonna go pick up a package right now at my mailbox, but figured may as well just film the audio to see how well the wireless range is. In fact, let's go ahead and hide the camera somewhere over here. Okay, is that good? Okay, there we go. Audio and recording. Okay, here we go. Oh man, it's like I'm a spy, like I'm totally wearing a wire. All right, I am outside. This is crazy. Oh, people are looking at me talk to myself. Okay, all right, let's go. Hi, good morning. Just picking up a package. There we go. I got one. Oh, I got two packages. 192.
192?
Yep. Okay, cool. Great, thank you so much. Appreciate it. You too. That guy didn't hold the door open for me. Okay, there we go. I have never been more self-conscious than just now. What's funny is that no one knows that I'm wearing a mic. All right. Okay, we are back. How is the audio? Okay. We got two packages, NDA packages. I know what they are, and it's exciting. I can't wait to show you, but I can't say a thing. All right, off to errand number two. All right, we're here for errand number two, but one thing I forgot to mention is that if you have a flat camera like the A7C Mark II, attaching the DJI Mic 2 camera adapter is so easy because it's not going to impact the lid of your camera bag. Like it just sits flush with my Nomadic Peter McKinnon 25L bag. Like that is so cool. You can't do that with a mic, like it'll destroy the mic, but because the A7C Mark II is so flat, attaching the camera adapter is no problem. I can easily close the lid, which is pretty dang cool. Okay, so this isn't really an errand. I just wanted to get some Starbucks. And so here is what the audio sounds like of me ordering Starbucks. Hi there, can I get a tall hot cafe latte with oat milk, please?
Okay.
Sidney?
Oh, that's all?
Yeah, I said yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be 536.
Cool.
How's that on there?
Great, thanks. All right, coffee ordered. Okay, that's the end of the video. Gotta go. I feel really weird now. Okay, bye.